going to show you how to cut off a bolt and not have any problems with the threads. Make sure you get a nut on the bolt at the length where you want to cut it. Put that bolt in the vise. The vise is grabbing the head of the nut, the bolt, and it's grabbing the nut, so nothing's moving. Scratch it with a hacksaw all around the circle. That'll help when you cut it off to not have a big piece of thread hanging off. Then cut it off. Get you a file. Just run it through the nut. It already should be just fine. It should rethread no problem. If you still got some problems, run the nut on the bolt a little farther. Work any burrs off. And use that nut again to just straighten the threads out. There you go.